In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can start developing plugins for the Veramo Agent Explorer. So I'll hop over to my VS Code. You can see I've already gone ahead and cloned this repository from GitHub. And I've already ran a few commands, but I'll just show you them to you anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and install all of our npm packages, and I'll run the build command just one time. And now I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this package is being, this plugin rather, is being served. So now you can see that this plugin is available just at my local host. But I'm going to want to make sure that this plugin is available externally. So I will run the ngrok command. So now through ngrok, I'm able to forward this to localhost so it can be accessed externally. And if we hop on over to the Agent Explorer itself and go to this plugins page, you can see a list of all the plugins that we already have. Most of these, just come standard. And we'll go ahead and add that custom plugin that we're now hosting locally. So paste in that ngrok URL and add /plugin.js. And now you can see that this package has been added here, and it's added a menu item as well. So it has some just little developer tools for creating credentials, generating a bunch of credentials as well. And you can see, head back to VS Code, if we make just a quick modification to this package, or this plugin, and rebuild the plugin. Once I refresh this page on Chrome, you can see that now that change I made has been updated here. So now if I want to do something slightly more involved with this plugin, I'll head back over to VS Code, and I've created this React component called identifier hover component. This is where you would do whatever your own external logic is. Maybe you're checking something about this DID or something, something about the identifier, and you want to render something based on some properties of that identifier. Right now, I'm just going to add a little bit of text here. So save this component, head back over to the index file, and add a mapping to that credential. So I'll save that and rebuild the plugin, head back over to the Agent Explorer, and I'll check out one of the credentials I have. I have to refresh this. And now you'll see that that little bit of text I've added is now rendering when I hover over the identifier of the credential. So hopefully this is a way to get you started developing Agent Explorer plugins, and please check out our Discord and come ask any questions you have in the support channel, and I hope you have a easy time developing Agent Explorer plugins.